On this video, I'm going to show you how to install the live chat on your high-level website. So if you're ready, let's begin. Hey guys, it's me, Cap Joey, the founder of Social Media Expert Community. So if you're new to this channel, consider click the subscribe button. And also, if you're already high-level users, I want you to comment below your questions if you feel there are some topics or if there are some components on how to use a high level. It's a little bit complicated for you. Comment it below, and probably your questions or inquiries will be my next video. But on this video right now, I'm going to show you how easy to integrate or use or set up the live chat of high level. So let's begin. So the first one is you need to go to your high level account. By the way, if you don't have a high level account, there is a free trial in the description below. Click that one and sign up under my affiliate link. And if you are part of my community, we will have a weekly mentorship to guide you to be successful in using the high level. So let's begin on our coaching program. So the first thing is go to the site section, and then once you're in the site section, go to the chat widget, and then once you're here, make sure this is on. If it's off, there will be no chat bubble. But if you want to switch it on, you will see this, hey, hi there, have a question, text us here. So if you want to change your avatar, simply go to your Canva or to your Photoshop and make sure the size is 300 pixels by 300 pixels. So now on this section, this is 300 by 300. I'll just use my logo for this demonstration. And then here you go. I'm going to download this. And once you already download this, click edit image and upload this. And here you go. You will see your logo here. So you can also upload your photo, or you can change the photo, the avatar photo, depending to your preference. If you want your brand logo or you want it your avatar or your photos. And the next one is go to the chat type. There's two options here. If you don't have a staff and you want to run your live chat 24/7, use this SMS or email chat. This is very ideal because you're able to get the information of your guests. So you can get the name, phone number, and message, and they can send it. And you can use also the conversation AI, wherein I'm going to share with you on the next video on how to set up your conversation AI on the live chat. But for this now, I highly recommend to select this one first so that you're able to get the information of your guests. The second one is the widget window, wherein you can also have questions. You can also enter your questions below, and be representative will be get right back. So you can also change this one. The call to action is very important as well. For me, send is fine because it's easy to understand. And you can also change this according to your brand. For example, my brand logo is like this, so you can definitely change whatever photo or color that you prefer. And also the language. So if you have agency and you are setting up a website for your client, you can also add your agency brand. But if you don't want to add this, just disable this. Or if you turn it on, you say powered by one funnel. So depending on your preference. However, if you want to promote your business and you're setting up several websites for your client, this is very ideal because you're able to promote your business. Again, it will be depending on your agreement with your client or depending on your marketing strategy. But the good thing with high level, you have the opportunity to promote your brand. All right. Now, the question now is how to integrate this live chat that we just set up for your website. So it's very easy to set up a live chat for your website. Simply go to the website. All right. Go to the steak restaurant or go to the website that you created. For this demo, I'm choosing this steak restaurant. Let's check first. So this is the website. So yeah, as you can see, there's no live chat yet here. So you don't see the live chat here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how easy to set up the live chat. So click settings, and then once you're in the settings, just simply, so easy, turn this on. That's how easy to put a live chat on your website using the GoHighLevel software. So if you are building a website using the GoHighLevel, you don't need to be expert in building website. GoHighLevel will build the website for you super easy, like this one. So I build the website in several platforms. I use PrestaShop and WordPress. Setting up a live chat is so difficult and challenging if you're going to use WordPress, most especially, or PrestaShop. You need a plugin to build or to add a live chat. However, for GoHighLevel, it's super easy. You just need to switch this on and just save it, and that's it. Done. All right. You're an expert now. Okay. So now I'm going to refresh this website, and you will see here live chat. Here you go. You have a live chat here. One thing that I noticed is I'll just go back here to chat. I'm going to change again the photo and click save. I forgot to save it, but now I'm going to refresh it again. Let's see. Here you go. The avatar is changed according to my logo, and if I want to change the color, I'll just go here, change the brand color to green, click save. Don't forget to save, okay? So save it, and then let's refresh this one. Here you go. So that's how easy to add a live chat on your website using the GoHighLevel. Once again, it's me, Cap Joey, the founder of Social Media Experts. If you're new to this community, consider subscribe or join our free webinar every Friday. The link is in the comment section. See you in our coaching program. Thank you very much.